Welcome to How to Make Money with Leonardo AI Art. Today, we're exploring how you can tap into the incredible potential of AI art. First, let's understand what AI-generated art is and how Leonardo AI fits into this exciting landscape. Next, we'll guide you through setting up your Leonardo AI account and show you how to navigate its robust features. Now it's time to explore different styles and techniques to create unique art pieces that stand out. Here are some tips on refining your art to make it more marketable and appealing to buyers. Let's identify platforms where you can sell your AI art, from online galleries to print-on-demand services. Here are strategies for promoting your creations and building an audience that loves your art. Understand the crucial copyright and licensing issues associated with AI art to protect your work. Let's take a look at real-life success stories of individuals who are thriving with Leonardo AI art. In conclusion, it's time for you to start creating and selling your own Leonardo AI art. Dive in and unleash your creativity.